This 2024 Forest River Sabre 26 BBR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 49 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.